Welcome back to this video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how to schedule your YouTube video without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about YouTube topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you upload your YouTube video, and then you have to pass through some certain stage such as detail, monetization, ad stability, if your channel has been monetized, video elements, and the check section whereby YouTube is going to scan your video for copyright issues or copyright materials. Okay, then the very last section is feasibility, and this is where you determine whether you want to publish your video instantly or you want to schedule your video for future posts. So in this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how we can properly schedule our video on YouTube. So let's dive in. So on getting to this particular feasibility, what you need to do is to simply scroll down right here, and then it takes you to a section of where you need to schedule right here. So as you can see right here, we have schedule. What you need to do here on that schedule section is to simply click on this particular arrow right here, and this is going to pump up. Then what you need to do is to simply scroll down and then get to a certain area of schedule your video. Now you can schedule your video based on your audience from your YouTube Studio Analytics. So for you to schedule your video, what you need to do, first thing first, you have to choose date and month and the year. So you have to navigate to this particular section here and show you a calendar. Now I want to schedule this video here for on the 8th, for on the 7th. So I'm going to choose on the 7th. Why you see this particular red outline around here, it simply means because this video here was to schedule for this this particular date. Okay, now next thing I need to do here is to come to the time. Okay, which time do you want this video to be on live on YouTube? So I'm going to put this video out at exactly 12 noon. Okay, so you have to scroll down and look for 12 p.m. Okay, so I'm going to select 12 p.m. You see, when I select 12 p.m., the red line disappears. This is because that there are certain times you need to schedule your video on YouTube. Okay, now right now we can simply scroll down and come down to this particular section here where you have schedule. So I'm going to click on schedule. So once you click on that, then your video is going to be scheduled for the particular purpose, just like what you see right here. Once you're done, simply click on close button right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to schedule your YouTube video without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial, tips and tricks about YouTube topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.